Hello, my name is George Pokanowski. I'm here today from Lithium Battery Power with our exclusive partner, CED Marine. We're happy to be a part of this interview. And as we get going, Lewis from CED Marine is going to be asking some questions about lithium battery power products, and I'll be happy to answer them for him. And I hope you all find this interview educational and hopefully of use in the field with your customers. Lewis, you go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, George. I can speak from firsthand experience that we've had nothing but great things, especially your customer service. I would definitely put you at the very top of the list out of, a lot of different brands that we deal with. You're at the top of the list. Customer service is number one,
Thank you. Thank you,
We
Lewis.
appreciate that. We appreciate that for sure. So, just put together some questions here. Pretty simple, but I'll just get right to it. The first one is, how does lithium battery power set itself apart from other lithium competitors that are in the market today?
Oh, Lewis, thanks. That's a great question. And I think you hit first and foremost number one, which is our ability to serve the customer. We've got a full staff on hand. So whether it's an installer, a dealer, or an end user that has a question, we've got a live person here to answer that call and get all the answers they need in a quickly and timely manner. Another thing that really sets us apart is we have a full design and engineering team here in the back of the building, and they design these batteries from the ground up. That includes full control over the battery management system or the BMS. So all the settings that go in that BMS, that's the most critical part of the battery, are controlled proprietary right here in house. And that gives us the safest and most efficient battery in the marketplace, and also the most reliable. So those, in a nutshell, are just the quick couple ones that are the biggest that we hear the most.
And then, we've all been talking about it and around here, but tell us about the new lithium, 120 amp hour dual purpose cranking battery that is
Thank you,
new.
Lewis. At LBP, we have a new dual purpose, as Lewis mentioned, cranking battery that could serve as a house battery in a deep cycle format, or as a cranking battery. We've had great luck. We spent a few months testing it without any issues in the field whatsoever. And that really kind of eliminates any issues that we've had in the past with lithium batteries in the marketplace. This battery can absorb any excess energy being sent to the battery from an outboard motor and keep it from being sent back to the engine and having any trouble with the components or circuitry within that outboard. So we're very happy to have that new battery in stock. It also has a reserve cell. So if you've been at the sandbar a little too long, playing with all your toys, your lights, your music, and you were to deplete that battery, it has a reserve cell that can be tapped either through the Bluetooth app or through the button on the top of the device, which taps that reserve cell, and at the very least can get you back up and running without the need to be towed back to shore. It's kind of making that cranking battery a no-brainer for the end user.
Very good. And then, so what can you tell us about your full line of deep cycle trolling motor batteries as far as the 24, 36 options?
So we have two 24-volt options. The first being a 75 amp hour option that features NMC technology that's just a little lighter weight. And that 75 amp hour battery actually puts out 85 amp hours. It's a lighter weight option for shallow water boats. And then we also have a 24 volt 90 amp hour option with features LiFePO 4 technology. That's a little more energy efficient battery. It can take a quicker charge, a higher burst rate. That's featured in larger boats with 24 volt trolling motors. And then in the 36 volt range, we have a 36 volt 60 amp hour battery and a 36, what we call 3628 battery that supports 36 volt trolling motors as well as forward facing sonar. So that can be used primarily in the bass market. That's been very popular for us. And then, of course, our 36 volt 120 amp hour battery that actually puts out about 135 amp hours, but it is rated as a 36 volt 120 amp hour battery.
Yeah, and then obviously there's 12 volt options as well. You're not limited to the 24 and 36.
That is correct. We have the 12 100. We have a 108 and 120 amp hour battery. And then on the smaller end, we have batteries that go all the way down to 12 volt, 6 amp hours with various stages in between 6 and all the way up to 280 amp hours.
Nice. All right. And then, so how do you guys manage your inventory, to support the demand that we see?
So we maintain a full stock of inventory right here in Clearwater, Florida. We have several thousand batteries in back right now, enough at least for the next 6 to 8 months. And currently in transit, on the way here, we have another 2,000 batteries with more to follow. So that's another thing we really take pride in here at Lithium Battery Power is our ability to supply the market when needed and not have out of stock situations or any delays in the field when you're trying to complete an install.
And then what kind of marketing materials or displays, sales training does LBP offer to help dealer staff speak confidently about lithium battery power technology?
So we have a team of salespeople that are in the market and can answer questions or stop by and pay a visit to any store. From a literature standpoint, we have product flyers for every battery we make. Some refer to them as product slicks that provide you with all the detailed information in terms of dimensions, weight, charge rates, everything you could possibly want to know about a lithium battery on those flyers. And then any other additional marketing materials in the marketplace, shirts, hats, stuff like that we do on a needed basis. So we've got the marketing aspect very well covered.
All right. And then we kind of touched on this a little bit at the beginning, but if there's a dealer or service department, if they have any questions about wiring or specific install, what kind of technical support does LBP offer to resolve issues out on the field?
Thank you, Liz. A little earlier, I think I touched on this. We have a team of people here that will always answer the phone even after hours. If nobody's in the building, it will flow over to an LBP employee. As I also mentioned before, we have a team of engineers and salespeople that are very well versed in the product lineup. And if there's a installer, a dealer, a boat manufacturer, or an end user that has a specific question about an install, any issues they're seeing in the field, if we can't answer that at the sales level, our team of engineers can get on the phone and walk either a dealer, installer, or end user through any technical support they need. And obviously, with all of our batteries being Bluetooth enabled, that makes it a very quick and easy phone call for us or the engineers to address in the field and get it taken care of. Most times just by the end user, not even having to call back to the dealer or installer. We just kind of handle that in the field as needed with the end user. So we think also that's something that really sets us apart in terms of the customer support that we talked about earlier.
Very good. Well, thanks for your time, George. I think that was pretty informative. And, as we heard they're ready to be ordered. So lithium battery.
Louis, I want to thank you. I want to thank you and the CED Marine team. This has been an excellent opportunity. And again, this level of support is only available through CED Marine right now. And we are awfully glad that you invited us in the call today. So we do appreciate that and look forward to doing more informational calls in the future. Thanks again for your time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Liz.